Hey everyone! Today I wanted to share with you my thoughts on these new grippers. It's by Home Tech Pro. My place has hardwood floors and I have a big rug that moves around a lot in the kitchen and also a very light floor mat for the restroom. So it's easy to put on because you can just peel it off like a sticker. You can even put them in the washing machine without worrying that it'll come off. Trust me, it will stick on for a very long time. I think it's pretty convenient, especially if you have dogs or kids that like to play around and move actively on rugs. Or if you're annoyed with how your rug corners curl up, this is a fast and effective solution too. Each sticky is a pretty good size and can hold any small or large rug, and the quality is super durable. These grippers for rug stick on firmly and they can work extremely well. Double-side tape products are fixed on the floor and use gel. And as you might know, gel tends to leave residue on the bottom surfaces and can leave permanent stains behind, which can damage the hardwood floor. However, the new grippers peel off easily and they don't leave any marks, which is amazing. Thanks so much for watching.